Hey guys, Pete Soma here at MarineMax Brick. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on a new trade here, a 2024 Monterey 305 SS. I'm in the cockpit, but I'll let Frank show you the power package on back. We have twin white Mercury 250s that will come with the joystick. Back here, very large sun pad. We've got a couple different conversion options. We can lift this backrest up, giving you a seat outward. And then right here, we have another cool little trick. Fold that up, again, kind of extending that rear sun panel. Making our way inside the cockpit, white sports arch, two tower speakers on each side, L-shaped seating right here inside the cockpit. We are going to have a couple of removable cushions, which I do like a lot. We can actually pull this up, nice and easy. Again, stowing it wherever you want, but again, just changing up that cockpit a little bit. Starboard side here, our wet bar. So we have our sink, our fridge right here. Sea deck throughout the whole cockpit on the swim platform and throughout. At the helm here, we do have our articulating wheel, controls for our windlass anchor, Simrad display, Mercury vessel view. This boat currently has about 92 hours on board. Our trim tabs, our handy joystick right here. On our port side, we do have our head compartment. Making our way up front, getting that traditional bow rider center walk through right up to the bow here. We are going to have our cushions. These are out right now, but this would be our bow filler right here, and then a secondary cushion right there. Bow close-off door right there, completely separating everybody else. Very nice spot to hang out. Then all the way forward, we do have our windlass anchor. All right, guys, again, 2024 Monterey 305 SS here at MarineMax Brick. I'm Pete Soma. I'll see you on the water.